All residents must evacuate the area immediately.
Repeat, evacuate immediately.
Mehmed! Listen, you must come immediately. Grandma's life is in danger.
Surrender your goods!
But these lemons are for Grandma. Here, take this one. It's the best.
For me? Thank you.
Aoni, can you hear me? I need your help. The bridge is broken.
Oh, okay, don't worry. I am coming in 2 minutes. Just wait, friend. We brought you fresh lemons.
Oh, Mehmet, thank you both so much. I am so relieved you are safe.
We are happy to help, Grandma.
It was my duty to help, made possible through my friend Aoni's assistance.
Thank you both so much.